What is going on in the Loop fans? Here we are at closing day of Maelstrom. A 65-minute wait to ride this high seas Norwegian adventure. You can see the line here stretches pretty far into the area, way over there. The last chance anyone can do back over the falls. It's a we got the fast pass going on this side now, or this side, one of the two. I guess it doesn't really matter. There's the cave. Will it be a cave once this becomes a frozen attraction? Not really sure. Will this thing be here where you get the boat accidentally almost going over the waterfall? No one really knows. Will it even be a boat ride? Would anybody, if this ride was not closing, wait over an hour? All of these people seem to want to. One question I'm curious about is, with the closing of the ride, is this troll statue going to stay? But the troll's gone. Will he remain? Who knows? As night now falls on Norway Pavillion, Maelstrom is still open, and you can see everyone wanting to take pictures of this sign. See right there. That's not a 30, like it looks like. It's actually a 130-minute wait for fast pass, or for the ride.
Hey everybody, it's October 5th.
October 5th!
And it's, what time is it, Drew?
It would be 9 o'clock.
Which for me is beer 30. But for the rest of the world, it means Maelstrom is now closed forever, as you can tell from the standby entrance reading 0000. Giant ass crowd here.
Yeah, at one point it was 130 minutes today.
Yeah. Lights are out, ride's closed, a whole bunch of nerds here, and we're going to go inside for one more ride. So they just thrown us down the fast pass line, which I don't know why, but that's sweet, so we don't have to wait in that line. Yeah. With all these peasants. Thank you. Thank you, Carrot Top, for that lovely.
You know, I'm going to miss...
Ironworker Jesus is clearly the...
Ironworker Jesus?
The thing that everyone's going to miss here.
Man on a stick?
Who's the man on a stick?
He's on the rock, man with the stick.
Oh yeah,
and everyone definitely wants everyone inside, so they can close the double doors.
That's right. There's a man with a stick right there.
And then you got Chuck Norris.
I prefer oil working Jesus myself.
You know, I'm curious, since we got to go fast pass, are they gonna actually make this the fast pass?
Yeah.
Or is it going to be like
we have to wait here forever? Just get everyone inside. I don't know. Time will tell. Look, cruise ships. Alright, well we're about to get on the boat for the very last time ever. Talk through the intern.
Alright, we're in line for our final boat ever on Norway.
Ever?
Ever. Last time I will ever ride this attraction.
Yep.
My nose ditches.
Do you know what I'm gonna miss? We were talking about the mural earlier. Webster.
Webster?
Yeah.
You gonna miss Webster?
How'd Molly end up in her own row?
You went in 4 and 3.
Yeah, you went to the wrong row.
You went to the wrong row.
Oh, well.
You were next to me.
Fair enough. Well, I apologize. You girls want to hold hands? Go for it.
They will forever hate us.
Yep, we're done. Just like Maelstrom. Probably shouldn't talk to the whole ride. Once things get going on the lift, we're probably quiet down or something.
Yeah. Look at everybody last final ride. Everybody. Wave bye to the natives. Look at that gentleman. Bye, friends.
Bye, Andy.
Bye, Andy.
You are not the first to pass this way. Those who seek the spirit of Norway face peril. an adventure. But more often, find beauty and charm. We have always lived by the sea. So look first to the spirit of the seafarer. Forests and mystery, where trolls still prowl the water's edge.
How dare you come here, invaders! Stop! This is troll country! The police, be gone! I'll cast the spell. Yes, yes! You disappear! 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 Back over the pond! Norway's spirit roamed the seas of the far north and beyond. Norway's spirit still thunders in her grave.
Alright, it's closed, park's closed, we're heading out to the entrance for final thoughts.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss the ride. It's gonna get replaced by something I'll probably ride just as frequently as that. It'll help with Fast Pass Plus, probably, because now we'll have another tier 1 attraction that people actually want to ride.
I don't like walking backwards, this is frightening.
No,
that's why I stopped.
That's why I stopped moving. You're the one who kept walking.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, I'm more curious about what's going to happen with the store. Are we losing the troll statue?
Probably.
And then the other thing is, I like the waterfall. I think it looks nice and everything.
That'll probably stay.
So
they don't spend any money. But it was closed. It had a good run. Not too sad about the closing. We were talking earlier about like where we'd rank it against other rides that closed in Central Florida, and I don't think it ranked very high on either one of our lists.
No, I mean, my favorite obviously was Jaws. That wasn't on your list. But
I'm an Adventurers Club guy, so that would be my favorite thing that's no longer with us.
But the workers are coming out.
But at the same time,
I mean, you've got to think that we'll miss the Norwegian girls most of all, because with Maelstrom closed, that's, you know, 40 Norwegian girls that have to be stuck to food. Ow, and I just got slapped.
I'm actually more concerned about the Norwegian club. That's my favorite sandwich, and
That's okay, that's over there.
if that bakery closes and I lose my Norwegian club, then I'm gonna be pissed.
I like how there's people watching from the windows too.
Yeah, look at the people up there.
That's like a break room or lounge or something like that. Anyway, that'll pretty much do it. Good luck, Maelstrom. You had a good run.